Oh! That is not very tastes so nasty. Who making the water move like this? Stop it.
I will admit though, I just swam back from over there. It's a little bit warmer over here. Just saying.
Did you just go pee over there? That's what we try to figure out.
No, it's cold over there.
A lot of people peeing over here.
Warm over here.
That's not what I
I mean,
said.
Kid Christopher, you okay?
when in Rome.
Christopher, you okay? Where Ryan go? Probably go get his goggles.
Yeah, she forgot about her pants.
Oh. She had forgot about her what?
Her pants? Oh, to take them off?
Yeah.
Well, because she's drunk.
She's drunk?
Because she just had 7 shots of tequila.
Well,
He's learning.
I didn't realize it
He's
was.
really happy right now.
Yeah. All I know is white fish. It's white. There's a white fish that are underneath here. There's a lot of white fish. They're pretty.
Thank you.
Ryan ain't got no goggles. Ryan ain't got no goggles. And Maya running. What's she running for? He's got to get in. Hey, we want to go. We want to come home the same way we came. All right, safe. And everybody. Right. Watch Chris. What's Christian there? Christopher. Watch Christopher. Where's Christopher? Huh?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, if y'all had goggles on, y'all can really see because they're black and white. They were black and white striped. They were black and white striped.
Go get a bag, grab the fish.
Baby, they were black and white striped fish. They were black and white striped. I got pictures. Oh. What good is that?
Pictures or it didn't happen. Pictures or it didn't happen. All he did was.
Damn, it's salty shit.
They shouldn't even call this fresh water. They should call it salt water. Oh, that tequila.
Huh? What happened?
That was a good tour. It took place at a barrel. And we drank our hands off. That was good.
Y'all didn't even go nowhere.
And wasn't nothing else to tour. They said tequila tour.
Yeah, like y'all was going around somewhere. Y'all went around the barrel? Did y'all?
We tasted them. I tasted a lot of
Where they come from? Hey.
They seen the fishes.
Yeah, I saw Dory. No, it was black. It was black and yellow striped fish that I just saw.
Yeah.
They're real pretty.
That was that fish on the fish table.
silverfish.
They're real pretty.
Out there?
No, right here. Right where we
They
at.
were just here.
They just fly through. They don't have to worry about no fish. Now sharks, it's a different story.
Yeah, like last time.
Sharks that we got.
And that thing was this
Yeah, that's like a fly. Wow.
That thing was this big and it flew up and we was like, go find Memo. Let's go. Ma, you remember when
Go find who? Go find who? Memo. Memo.
his name is Memo.
Find the memo.
I did not know that deep. Somebody find him. Memo.
Guillermo. Guillermo.
They could give us goggles to see too.
Yeah.
A little bite thing.
Yeah.
But I want to do it.
You can.
All right. I want to look at the fish. Yeah.
Fishes.
Fishes.
In the bottle.
It's also now in the dictionary.
Man, last time I wore goggles, I was 15.
Yes, it is.
What, you lost your shoe? You lost it already? Got a rock in it?
I'm 51, so I'm older now.
I'm 53.
Do you drink tequila too? Oh, yeah. No, I didn't have none today.
Not today.
They did.
You get drunk a little bit?
No.
Maybe I empty. I didn't eat anything.
Yeah. We have to walk. Yeah. We'll do about 1 o'clock. I mean 1:30.
This beach is a little more crowded than last time, right?
There's a rock right here. There's a rock right here, Maya. You're knocking me off.
Stand, Maya.
Maya, stand up. It's a rock.
Is it a big rock?
Yes.
It's a big rock.
Hey, y'all knocking me off the damn rock.
Look at the rocks right there.
Babe.
I can't see the rock. Y'all
Come on,
got
babe. There's a rock right here. Check with my baby. Huh? Whoops. Yeah, okay.
Welcome, lady.
Welcome.
Okay. Just take it. Just embrace it.
Oh, they love touching us.
Wait, just don't get on my face. All right.
Better.
Where's Adam?
Huh?
If I go too far out, someone else.
Where's your dad?
Find Nemo.
I'm looking for fish. Okay. They pulled y'all back in this way?
No.
I'm like, who is this behind me?
I'm about to get my phone, take a picture.
Your phone is cracked.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought it was cracked. Oh man, yeah, I wouldn't take no chance to take pictures of underwater.
Okay.
You see some more?
Oh, there's
What? Silver tip, they silver.
I'm gonna catch a fish, I'm gonna eat it, cook it and everything. What is water so salty?
It is salty. Damn. Man, it's salty.
Wait, Kirsten, first. You know how to swim?
dry as hell.
What the hell are you on my back for? You know how to swim?
No, I don't. Come on. When you gonna go to sleep?
Your lying ass. Where we going?
Rodney.
I don't know. Go. We both gonna drown.
You know how to swim, right?
I'm not still like going.